if your pump is too strong, the amount of water flow going into this 5-gallon bucket will never break this the siphon, the vacuum pressure that's going, because if there's constant water flowing in, it's harder and harder to break the vacuum. So right now it just broke the vacuum, or it's close to being breaking the vacuum, breaking it. I wonder what temp it is actually. It is 58 degrees. 56 degrees. Still not too cold. And there it goes. It burped. That means the siphon's broken and that it's now creating pressure for a new vacuum.